So we all went to school, we all went to college. One thing is interesting in our college days, in our school days, that we had the common uniform, something like this we had to wear all the time. And assuming that if in our school and college we had about 1,000 students and we had to get that dresses either from a tailor or from the school itself. That time I was not understanding business. But then when I completed my college and one of my client, they wanted to start a business with the name dress code. The name was beautiful. It was a Chinese company. And then I was like, let me understand more that what exactly is the business model. They said that we are exporting these dresses to schools, universities. These are academic dresses to European countries and how much sales they're doing. So one of their vendor who is buying from them, they buy about 1 lakh quantity of dresses every single year. So one academic year, 1 lakh dresses. So this company was able to export to a lot of such kind of vendors, like 1 lakh, 2 lakh quantities of dresses. And it's a very small quantity. So this, when I was working with Alibaba, my experience has been in export, import, international trade, and been there for a quite long time. I was fortunate that they gave me the designation of Global Director for the EGTP program, which they were running for improving the exports of Chinese products and also making sure that more importers are there globally. So this learning made me to learn a lot about e-commerce, export, import, even though I did my master's in international trade. But my real experience came in when I worked with the company directly. And now today I have been running my own successful e-commerce business, and I will tell you the story. So basically, this dress code, this company, when I was working in Alibaba, I learned one thing, that academic dresses are basically a subscription business. That means if somebody buys from you this year, let's say some 10,000 dresses, they will have to buy next year also. And you're not selling one piece, you are selling quantity. So I have a business opportunity which will be plug and play, ready-made business that you can start immediately. I will help you to set up a business where I'll give you the store builder, and we can have academic dresses listed in the e-commerce store, and we can start selling them to academic institutions like universities, colleges, and many more who require these kind of dresses. So as you can see that we are in Amazon, and here you can see school blazers and many things are listed, and there are a good number of sales. And these are not some low-cost things. It's $70 and about 50 people bought the last month. Now simply go to Etsy.com. Here also you can see these uniforms are there. And go to Lazada.com. Here also you can see sales are there. Same way, go to Noon.com. This is Dubai website. This is Singapore's website. This is a global website. And this is also a global website, Amazon.com. So one common thing is there that these products have got sales. So what are you going to learn from me? You will learn from me how to build an e-commerce business from scratch. You will get guaranteed sales, you will get buyers database, suppliers database, plus you will also get the plug and play ready-made e-commerce store builder. Yes, I will be giving you the copy of the e-commerce store. Simply how exactly I'm running, you can copy and make a duplicate of that. So the store builder will have the entire thing from my side. You just have to upload the products and start selling them. So what you will do, you will get all the softwares and tools that you're seeing in this, install them, get the design, make sure that you are making the best design that you're imagining. It's all non-technical. It's very easy to make. I'll just show you one of the sample sites. This is the site for examples. You can just put all the dresses in this and it will be your site. I want you to get started with this all-in-one program where you will master digital marketing and online sales and you'll become certified e-commerce professional. This program has got everything in it, like from the very basic about the fundamentals of e-commerce sales to how to design the e-commerce website, how to manage e-commerce business, how to do drop shipping, how to do global trade. Every single thing has been trained in this very much in a practical way. I want you to go through this program so that your fundamentals are clear for lifetime. Once you have this understanding, you also get certification, which is globally valid. This is government certification, not just one, but 17 certifications as bundle. To make sure that you learn practically, we do live, interactive, practical training on a day-to-day basis. You will have access of that. In case if you miss out also, the recordings will be there for you. So you can go through those contents and make sure that your e-commerce business is successful. The whole objective is to give you the level of support so that you can actually get that confidence to build your e-commerce business and make it as a multi-million-dollar business. Being in India, even if you are a working professional, you can invest a few hours of time, start as a part-time entrepreneur, and will become successful. That's how most people start. And this support and entrepreneurship journey, and this will help you. So what you're getting from us? You're getting from us video-based lectures, plus live classes, plus instructor training, and practical e-commerce store development. And this content access, update, and support you're going to get for lifetime. So we, as a team of mentors and experts, will be here to help you and assist you regularly. Now, if you see IIC's program, this is the most holistic program which has covered every single thing that is required to build a successful e-commerce business. With this certification, which is globally valid, you will have great amount of support from my team, and I will be always there to support you, because my role itself is to make sure that you should become a successful entrepreneur. So this program, Certified E-commerce Professional, in this you are seeing this fundamentals of e-commerce. These are video lectures. I also will be giving you ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics, and many more different contents that you can study and you can become successful. See, these are some of my works that I have done in my past, where you can see that all that what you're seeing right now is going to give you the confidence that you can start e-commerce business with us. So these are some of the affiliations from Amazon, from Alibaba, with EDI, that's Government of India's Institute. This is Tata's Institute. This is AICTE Ministry of Education approval. All these things what you are seeing, plus the profile of team members. So you are definitely going to get the best learning in the most practical way, fully online, 24/7, you'll get the support. So I want you to get started with this e-commerce business opportunity today, because this institute is fully registered with all the intellectual properties, patents, and the trademarks, copyrights that we have registered. We have been working for the last 9 years extensively to make sure that our entrepreneurs are successful. Already 6,000 plus entrepreneurs have been trained on e-commerce, and you can see one of our store which is already generating revenue. So you can just get a copy of the store and start generating revenue for yourself by uploading the list of products and start making sales. So with all these things, you can do search engine optimization, Google optimization, paid ad running. You can also add different type of marketing strategies that we have here. For an example, you can just give more campaigns for the marketing and you can make sales. So what you see here is a ready-made, fully functional e-commerce business opportunity. And now let's understand the whole business in short. Plug-and-play e-commerce startup with commercial and academic uniforms. What you see here is the supplier data, buyer data, everything included in this uniforms, the commercial uniforms, corporate uniforms, security guard uniforms, hotel uniforms, dresses for dance, lab coats, girls' school uniform, academic apparel, kitchen apparel, chef uniforms, all these things we can find right type of audience. And the reason for this is, if you get started with a uniform based model, you are selling in quantities. 20 pieces, 50 pieces are just small numbers. I'm talking about hundreds and thousands of pieces to be sold at a stretch. So you just need to get started with the business today. You don't have to invest in any inventory. You don't have to stitch by yourself. There are people who are already doing it, right? They're looking for someone who can give them orders. And that's where you can actually build a big fortune out of this. So name your store, add the products, start selling, and this will be the best e-commerce business of academic uniforms and all the type of uniforms that we can sell. So this is the business which I think can make about 10 to 12 lakh rupees per month, maybe more. So how much do you think should be the investment in such a business opportunity for the plug-and-play store, plus mentorship, plus certification, plus live classes, plus recorded contents, plus bonus contents that are ebooks, white papers, case studies on the e-commerce business. And apart from that, the plug-and-play ready-made store builder, plus additionally, you are getting software tools in this, suppliers contact, buyers contact, and lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support. How much do you think for such a business where you are definitely going to be successful? People will charge not less than 5 lakh rupees for just giving you the business advice in e-commerce today. For the e-commerce store development also, it starts at 50,000-60,000 rupees and it goes up to few lakh rupees. I have seen like people are investing 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs for building an e-commerce business. But here, what I'm giving you is something, because I also want to have business partners along with me. What you see here is a ready-made plug-and-play e-commerce store. If you just take mentorship itself will be giving you a lot of things. But in the plug-and-play store, you will get the store builder also. Everything included in this, you can go through it. You can see like all the features, everything integrated into this store builder, plus mentorship and the training support that you'll get. And more importantly, this 1 lakh rupee, what you're seeing, you're not paying us to our account at once. If you want to do it in EMI, you can do it in EMI. It's very easy. Just go through this. This is secure payment gateway. Click on EMI. If you have a credit card, then you can just convert this into EMI. We have credit card based EMI opportunity for you. This is a great offer so that you can just invest less than 5,000 rupees a month. That is 4,895 only, and go for the EMI plan. Just add your card, and every month you can just pay this amount for the next 2 years. By this time, your business is already very successful, I'm sure. So this is just nothing. You don't have a credit card, you can borrow from your friend who can give you the credit card, or apply with the bank. If you have money, just put that in FD. In FD, that can be converted into a credit card, and then swipe it as a monthly amount. The beauty of this business is that this is not going to fail, because e-commerce store is with you. The learning will be with you always, right? The live classes support that we are giving you, you will have access of the recorded contents also, plus this study material, plus one-on-one sessions. So what else is required? Just get started, and you have to get out of this mentality where you are still having that same life what you were having. But here, this one decision will change your life. So I want you to be part of IIAC, Indian e-commerce, and be part of this e-commerce export revolution with us. Join us today.